Yeah, this is how it looks. You see, very nice package. Okay, I don't know how I can. Okay, now we are going to install the sofa. This kind of sofa. So you see, here's the hole. Here's the hole. Here's one hole, and here's one hole. Which this one goes in. Which it goes into here. Then we're gonna screw here. And we see we done here. One is here. So we're going to do this one right now. Right. So like that. Then you come here. This way.
No.
So
does not goes in.
okay, this one for you.
The second last one. Here we have this. Good.
Yeah, that's the screwdriver, which it comes with the sofa.
There.
Okay.
Sir.
You wanna make sure
Sir ki
it's
khalwa.
tight, otherwise somebody will fall down. Make sure.
Forget to nikalo in the screwdriver.
Forget all zirdim.
Zirdim.
Then you can put it like that.
Sir ki khalwa.
What do you call? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. No. Do like that. You can choose this one. Okay. Leave it up. This way. 1 second. Back here. Yes, okay. You see that. Oh, here, nothing. Okay. Okay. So this is the TV. Samsung, you see, have everything, all the functions here. Your YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, much more. Alright guys, so this is how to set up. So this is our final setup, I think, for today. You see, so this can be everything. This can be coffee table, or you can put on the side, or maybe we're going to put this one on right here, so we can change it anytime. So next step is we are going to install our TV to the wall here, to the wall. Now I'm going to install the TV stand for the wall right here. So first I'm going to put that one here. This one sound. Here.
babu dewa iku rasun. You know?
Okay, so once you join the TV to the stand, so make sure you have to screw it very tight. Yep, that is it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, make sure subscribe and like it, share it,